Students in the building maintenance program are provided the opportunity to acquire the knowledge and experience needed to work in a wide range of positions concerned with maintaining commercial buildings. The skills learned in this program help students gain experience in many areas needed for maintenance and repair work. Students perform minor and routine painting, plumbing, electrical wiring, and other related maintenance activities. They focus on using appropriate tools and equipment, as well as gaining experience in shipping, receiving, and organizing supplies needed for maintenance and repair work. This program helps students demonstrate the wide range of skills needed by employees in the expanding building engineering industry. Today we are spotlighting Braydin Hawver, a member of the building maintenance program. Braydin states that his favorite part of the program is setting up welders and testing welding projects. He also loves getting to do a lot of designing. Braydin's instructor, Mr. Lehman, says, Braydin is owner and manufacturer of BMH Performance, which is a custom TIG fabrication shop. He learned the trade from his grandfather. He is meticulous in his work in our shop and has taken on the role of mentor of the students in the building maintenance class to teach them how to weld. His work ethic, initiative, respect, and interpersonal skills will make him a valuable asset to any place he chooses to go. I feel blessed and honored to know such a mature and grounded young man. Braydin is a senior from Manchester Valley High School, where he is a member of the fishing club. When Braydin is not in school or working at BMH Performance, he loves fishing, working on cars, fixing exhaust systems, making metal projects, and taking care of his Dalmatian Lola. After graduation, he will work for industrial service installations who specialize in stainless steel sanitary applications.